борт. Есть переход блока И на бортовое питание, персон. Есть отрыв холодный, пневмоколодок блока И. Есть мачта, персон.
And there's the retraction of that first umbilical.
Доклады принял.
T-minus 25 seconds and counting, just a few seconds away from the second umbilical retracting that begins the engine sequence start.
Пуск. Зажигание.
And we have engine ignition. The engine's coming up to flight speed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff. Liftoff of the Progress 92 cargo craft bound for the International Space Station. The Soyuz booster arcing out to the northeast. Roll, pitch, and yaw, all nominal. Engine performance nominal as the Soyuz heads downrange. 37 seconds into the flight, all parameters reported to be normal from the blockhouse in Baikonur. Punching a hole through the clouds, heading into an orbit 51.6 degrees inclined to the equator. Engine chamber pressure is nominal. We've passed the 1 minute mark into the flight. Yaw, pitch, and roll all reported to be nominal.
70. Полет нормальный.
Passing through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle.
80.
1 minute 25 seconds into the flight.
Управление ракеты-носителя в норме. 90. Двигатели первый.
About 25 seconds remaining in first stage performance.
100. Параметры конструкции ракеты-носителя в норме.
Everything looking good on the Soyuz booster, standing by for first stage SEP.
Тангаж, рысканье, вращение в норме.
And we have confirmation of first stage separation on time.
Двигатели боковых блоков. Есть отделение боковых блоков. 130. Стабилизация изделия устойчивая.
2 minutes 16 seconds into the flight. Second stage up and running. Good stabilization on the vehicle reported.
Носителя в норме.
So far, all of the structural parameters reported to be normal from the engineers at the blockhouse in Baikonur. Second stage performance is by the book according to the engineers.
Ракеты-носителя в норме.
6 minutes of powered flight remaining.
Стабилизация изделия устойчивая. 180. Параметры конструкции ракеты-носителя в норме.
3 minutes 11 seconds into the flight, everything going well. The launch shroud has been jettisoned. The Progress being propelled uphill on the power of the second stage engine on the Soyuz 2.1A booster. 3.5 minutes into the flight.
Параметры системы управления ракеты-носителя в норме. 220. Полет нормальный. Время КП 22 часа.
5 minutes of powered flight remaining. Nothing but good reports coming from the blockhouse in Baikonur so far.
Стабилизация изделия устойчивая.
We've now passed the 4 minute mark into the flight. The liftoff time was right on the money at 2:32 and 40 seconds p.m. Central Time. Second stage performance continues to be nominal according to the engineers in Baikonur. You're looking at a live view from a balcony camera at the Russian Mission Control Center in the town of Korolyov on the outskirts of Moscow. Those flight controllers will take over control of the vehicle, the Progress itself, following its separation from the third stage of the Soyuz booster.
Прошел гарантийный надув бока кислителя третьей ступени. 290.
And we have confirmation of the shutdown of the second stage engine. The Soyuz being propelled now by the third stage engine. There you see the second stage, the third stage skirt jettison, and that view on the center screen of the Russian Mission Control Center. 5 minutes, 15 seconds into the flight, everything looking good so far.
Параметры конструкции ракеты-носителя в норме.
5.5 minutes into the flight. So far, so good. The Progress being propelled uphill by its third stage engine on the Soyuz 2.1A booster. 3 minutes of powered flight remaining. Now we have a better view from the camera on the upper stage of the Soyuz booster. If we hold this view, we should be able to see third stage shutdown, spacecraft separation, and the deployment of the solar arrays on the Progress itself. 6 minutes, 15 seconds into the flight, 2.5 minutes of powered flight remaining.
Двигатель третьей ступени работает нормально.
Third stage engine performance is nominal.
Параметры системы управления ракеты-носителя в норме. 400. Стабилизация изделия устойчивая.
6 minutes, 48 seconds into the flight, just 2 minutes of powered flight remaining. So far, everything has gone by the book, all of the milestones having been passed in trip hammer fashion. The yaw, pitch, and roll, all good. Good structural stability on the Soyuz booster's third stage. 7 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight. Seven minutes, 45 seconds into the flight, 1 minute of powered flight remaining. We're expecting third stage shutdown at the 8-minute 45-second mark, followed just seconds later by spacecraft separation. Passing 8 minutes into the flight. Eight minutes, 15 seconds into the flight, 30 seconds of powered flight remaining. All the parameters on the third stage looking good. The third stage engine beginning to tail off now as we stand by for third stage shutdown and spacecraft separation. Third stage shutdown confirmed, and spacecraft separation. The command should be issued momentarily for the initiation of the deployment of the solar arrays and navigational antennas on the Progress. And there they go.